students, hope you are doing well and fine. So today we are going to continue the rest of the questions. Okay, so we'll start with question number 5. So here first we'll understand the figure, what is given in the figure. Okay, so one parallelogram is given, that is PQRS is a parallelogram in which SR is the base, okay, and corresponding height to SR is, that is Q, and M I have not written, just Q and M is the corresponding height. Okay, so first part in the question we have to find out the area of PQRS. Then in the next part only PS is given to you. Okay, PS is given 8 centimeter and its corresponding height QN is not given. That QN we have to find out. Okay, so for finding this QN, first we have to find out the area of PQRS. Okay, then only we are going to find the QN. So first, the area length of the base, that is SR, that is given 12 centimeter, and corresponding height for this SR, the corresponding height is QM, that is 7.6 centimeter. Okay, so as I told you, the first part we have to find the area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram PQRS, that is base into height. Okay, B into H also you can write it. So what is base here? SR is the base, height is QM. So SR into QM, 12 centimeter into 7.6 centimeter, that is 91.2 centimeter square. The unit should be in square. Okay, as I told you, the next part, in the next part only PS is given here. We have to find out the corresponding height, that is QN. So base is given. Okay, height is to find out, height is not given, that we have to find out, and we got the area. We got the area, that is 91.2 centimeter. So we have done in the previous video, base is given, height is not given, but area is given. Okay, what you have to do, we have to do the division. So here also we are going to do the same thing. So we are having base, that is 8 centimeter, that is PS, corresponding height, that is QN, that we have to find out, that is not given. And area of parallelogram, that is PQRS, already we have got 91.2 centimeter, that we have to write there. Okay, so our question is to find out QN, means area of parallelogram. The formula is base into height. So here base is PS and height is QN. PS into QN, that is 91.2 centimeter. PS already we are having 8 centimeter. QN is to find out. So for finding QN, here it's a multiplication. For finding 1, we have to do the division. So 91.2 divided by 8, you will get 11.4 centimeter. So our QN, the height is 11.4 centimeter. Okay, hope the figure is clear to you. Once again, I am going to tell you the figure. The figure is all about parallelogram PQRS, in which SR is the base, that is 12 centimeter, and QM is the corresponding height for SR, that is 7.6. So first, in the first part, we have to find out the area of PQRS. Just base into height, multiply it, you will get the area here. Okay, you will get the area. After that, the second part is to find out QN, where the base is PS, 8 centimeter is given to you, and this QN is not given, that you have to find out. For finding QN, we need what? Area. That's why we have done the area section first. Okay, so we are having base, that is 8 centimeter. We are having QN, that we have to find out, and we are having area, that is 91.2. So finding QN, we have to do the division. Just divide it, cut it, and write the answer. Okay, so this completes the solution. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, students, now come to question number 6. So in question number 6, area is, first of all, we go to the figure. Okay, this is the parallelogram ABCD, in which AB is given 35 centimeter. So its corresponding height is DL. Okay, for this base, this is the height, and next part is AD is the base, and for this base corresponding height is BM. Okay, so for AD as a base, corresponding height is BM, and for AB as a base, DL is the corresponding height. Okay, for AD, BM is the height, and for AB, DL is the height. Okay, so AD is given 49 centimeter, AB is given 35 centimeter, and we are having the area that is 1470 centimeter square. Now come to the question. We are having area is given to you. In AB as a base is given, height is not given, so we have to find the height. In AD, base is given, height is not given. So what you have to find out? For AB, DL we have to find out. For AD we have to find out BM. Means in both the case we have to find the height. Okay, for height. So in two ways we can do it. Either you can do it this portion first or this portion first. It's up to you. Okay, so I have taken AD as the base in the first part. Okay, so when we take base as AD, that is 49 centimeter, so its corresponding height will be BM. For AD, BM is the corresponding height to it. So area of parallelogram ABCD, that is given 1470 centimeter square. I have written centimeter square a little bit down. Okay, so the formula is base into height, base AD into BM. So BM we have to find out. Okay, BM is not given. That is, and area is given 1470 centimeter square. So in the place of AD, just write 49 centimeter. BM we have to find it, right as it is. Area, what it is given, just write as it is. So for finding the BM, since it's a multiplication, we have to do the division for finding the BM. So when you cut this, so you will get 30 centimeter. So the first case, this BM, we got 30 centimeter. Okay, 30 centimeter is the BM. Now come to the next part. If we take AB as a base, so AB as a base we are taking, that is given 35 centimeter, and its corresponding height, that is DL, that we have to find out. So again we are having same thing we have to do. We are having area. Okay, so base into height. Base is given 35 centimeter. DL is the height. 1470 is the area. Just divide it, you will get 42 centimeter. In both the case, in this question, especially in this question, in both the case, we have to find the height. Okay, we have to do the same thing. So here, DL, the height is 42 centimeter. Okay, so I'm explaining once more the figure. So ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB is the base and DL is the corresponding height. AB is given to you, DL we have to find out. Okay, in same figure, AD is the base and its corresponding height is BM. AD is given 49 centimeter. BM we have to find it. Okay, so at last we got 42 centimeter as a DL. Okay, so area we are having in the first case, I have taken AD as base. For finding BM, just divide it by base, area by base, you will get 30. And the next case, when you have taken base as AB, the corresponding height is DL. For that, just area by base, you will get corresponding height DL, that is 42 centimeter. How it is clear to you? Just go through it. Okay, students, now come to question number 6. Come to the figure. One right triangle ABC is given, right angle at A, and AB is given 5 centimeter, AC is given 12 centimeter, and BC is given 13 centimeter. We have to find the area of this right angle triangle and this corresponding height for BC. The height is AD, that AD we have to find out. Okay, so in this question, So ABC is right angle triangle, right angle that A, okay, where AC is equal to 12 centimeter and AB is 5 centimeter. If we are considering AC as base, the corresponding height will be AB, okay, since it's a right angle triangle. So, and BC, this BC is the side opposite to the angle A, that is 90 degree. This is the hypotenuse, okay. Now come to area of right triangle ABC. So in right triangle ABC, the formula is half base into height, where base 12 centimeter and its corresponding height is 5 centimeter. So just multiply it, 6 5 is 30, you will get the area 30 centimeter square, okay. Now come to the next part, that is corresponding height. AD we have to find out. For finding AD, we are having base 13 centimeter, okay. We are having base, we have to find out height, and we are having area, okay. The formula is half base into height, that is 30 centimeter square. So half into 13 centimeter square into AD is equal to 30 centimeter square, right? So you have to find AD. As I told you in the previous video, just multiply this 2 with area and divide whatever it is given. So here base is given, divide by base. So you will get the answer in fraction, or you will get it in mixed number. Okay, there is no problem in that. So the corresponding height of AD is 8 by 13, or you can write it in decimal also, there is no problem. Okay, hope this question is clear to you. Just go through it. So now come to question number 7. I'm going to explain the figure, and this question you have to do it by your own. Okay, so just the figure. So one ABC is a triangle is given to you, in which BC, that is given 9 centimeter. So BC is the base and its corresponding height is AD. Okay, so for base we are having BC, and for height we are having AD. So first what you have to do is you have to find the area. Area half base into height. Just you have to put the value half into 9 into 6. Okay, I think you will get 27 something, 27 centimeters square you will get. Now the next part is for this corresponding for this base AB, that is given what, 7.5 centimeter. So AB is the base given 7.5 centimeter, and the corresponding height, that is CE, I just write it E here, whatever the alphabet is. Okay, suppose CE is the corresponding height. That height we have to find out. So height is not given, so I am just writing CE. Okay, for height, whatever alphabet is given here, just you can write it. So that is height, that is not given, that you have to find out. But we are having area. Okay, so what you have to do is just half base into height, half into 7.5 into h we have to find out, and 27 centimeter square. Okay, so multiply this 2 with 27 and divide by 7.5, so you will get the answer. Okay, hope the figure is clear to you. One ABC triangle is here, where triangle is given where BC is the base, that is 9 centimeter, AD is the corresponding height. So first find the area, half base into height, then AB is the base and its corresponding height is CE. So just find, you are having area, you are having base, you have to find out the height, multiply this 2 with 27 and divide by 7.5. Okay, this question is very easy. Hope it is clear to you, and if you have any doubt, just drop your messages in Campus Care. Good day. Thank you.